Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, when was the India Meteorological Department IMD established? Option A, 1857. Option B, 1875. Option C, 1880. Option D, 1895. The correct answer is option B, 1875. Established in 1875, the India Meteorological Department, or IMD, completed 150 years of service recently. Next question is, what are the burial mounds at Charaideo made of? Option A, only brick and stone. Option B, brick, stone, or earth. Option C, sand and cement. Option D, wood and clay. The correct answer is option B, brick, stone, or earth. The burial mounds, moidums, consist of hollow vaults made of brick, stone, or earth. These structures are topped by shrines and symbolize the grandeur of a home funerary architecture. Next question is, what emerging technology is cited as exacerbating biosecurity threats? Option A, artificial intelligence. Option B, blockchain. Option C, virtual reality. Option D, cloud computing. The correct answer is option A, artificial intelligence. Advances in artificial intelligence, along with cyber attacks and genetic engineering, have increased biosecurity risks, as noted by the WHO. Next question is, which organization released the Global Cybersecurity Outlook 2025 report? Option A, World Health Organization. Option B, Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. Option C, World Economic Forum. Option D, United Nations. The correct answer is option C, World Economic Forum. The report titled Global Cybersecurity Outlook 2025 was released by the World Economic Forum, WEF, on 13th January 2025. Next question is, which company developed the Firefly Satellites launched aboard the Falcon 9 rocket? Option A, SpaceX. Option B, Indian startup Pixel. Option C, NASA. Option D, European Space Agency. The correct answer is option B, Indian startup Pixel. The Firefly satellites were developed by the Indian startup Pixel, marking a significant milestone in hyperspectral imaging technology. Next question is, what is the theme for Indian Army Day 2025? Option A, Samarth Bharat, Saksham Sena. Option B, National Unity, Strong Forces. Option C, Unity in Strength. Option D, Power of the Indian Armed Forces. The correct answer is option A, Samarth Bharat, Saksham Sena. The theme for Indian Army Day 2025 is Samarth Bharat, Saksham Sena, which highlights the strength and capability of India and its army. Next question is, which state became the 34th state to implement ABPMJAY? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, West Bengal. The correct answer is option B, Odisha. Odisha became the 34th state to implement the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, ABPMJ. Next question is, which feature of the Nag Mark II missile allows for precision targeting with minimal operator intervention? Option A, guided targeting system. Option B, remote control system. Option C, fire and forget technology. Option D, laser guided system. The correct answer is option C, fire and forget technology. The Nag Mark II missile uses fire and forget technology, allowing for precision targeting with minimal operator intervention post-launch. Next question is, how much did ocean heat content increase in the upper 2000 meters from 2023 to 2024? Option A, 16 zetajoules, option B 16 gigajoules, option C 140 terajoules, option D 140 petajoules. The correct answer is option A 16 zetajoules. The ocean heat content in the upper 2000 meters increased by 16 zetajoules from 2023 to 2024, which is equivalent to about 140 times the world's total electricity generation in 2023. Last question is, which platform has been integrated to provide multilingual support at the Maha Kumbh 2025? Option A, Google Translate. Option B, WhatsApp Translator. Option C, Microsoft Translator. Option D, Bhashini. The correct answer is option D, Bhashini. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, has integrated the Bhashini language translation platform to ensure seamless communication at the Maha Kumbh 2025. Now it's time for practice question. Which tiger reserve will be affected by the proposed submergence in the 𝗕cie𝗂𝗀𝘀𝗃 project? Option A, Jim Corbett National Park. Option B, Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. Option C, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Or option D, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.